Hello everyone. I dedicate today's video to my dad, my hero. Well, he's gone a little far away from us. We lost him recently. This video is a perfect keepsake for the loved ones who aren't with us anymore. I have taken one of my daddy's shirts and framed it this way using an old wall clock frame. We just need to fold the shirt in such a way that it sits in the frame. And just tuck the top of the collar to ensure there is no gap. Then put the glass on and frame it back. Stick a tape this way to have a perfect frame. We may also use a thin photo frame. However, the process goes a little different. We need a cardboard as well. For this, just place the cardboard inside the shirt. Then we need to cut out the excess cardboard that's visible on the top, and also cut out the top of the collar. Even the rest of the shirt needs to be cut, leaving only the front portion glued to the cardboard. As I didn't want to cut my daddy's shirt, I tried the former one. Once done, just pour your heart out by writing a poem or a quote on the frame using a permanent marker. To the world, you are our dad. To us, you are the world. We love you, Daddy.